Are you looking for a reliable and professional hardwood flooring company in Glendale, Colorado? Do you want to transform your home with beautiful and durable hardwood floors that will last for years? If so, you need to contact us, the experts in hardwood flooring, Glendale, Colorado installation and refinishing. Hardwood flooring. Glendale, Colorado is a family-owned and operated business that has been serving the Glendale community since the early 2000s. We have over 20 years of experience in installing, repairing, sanding, staining, and refinishing hardwood floors of all types and styles. We use only the best quality materials and equipment to ensure a flawless finish and customer satisfaction. What sets us apart from other hardwood flooring companies is our attention to detail, our competitive pricing, and our excellent customer service. We offer free estimates, flexible scheduling, and a limited warranty on all our work. We also have a showroom where you can browse our wide selection of hardwood flooring options and get expert advice from our friendly staff. Don't wait any longer to get the hardwood floors of your dreams. Contact us today and let us take care of everything for you. Whether you need new hardwood floors installed or your existing ones refinished, we have the skills and experience to handle any project. Call us now at the number listed on our website to request a free estimate and schedule your appointment.